How to practice Tai Chi Ball correctly? I show you now. The Tai Chi Ball on your body right side, right hand underneath, left hand on top. The body turn left, the Tai Chi Ball and the arm follow the body, turn left. Then back, turn right. From the right to left, this is 180 degree. And the back, another 180 degree. This Tai Chi Ball, how high is the Tai Chi Ball? This is half Tai Chi Ball to the belly button. This one, the Tai Chi Ball around the belly button. If you want to training the Tai Chi Ball with the mixed leg strong, you can use the house dance. Do same thing. See, turn right or left. This moment very good for your waist. Exercise the waist. Then can lose the weight and lose it like the apple weight. Your waist is fat. This moment can help. But need more than 100 times every day or more than 5 minutes. The Tai Chi Ball training, the turn left or right. Another way, you can see the clock. The 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock back 6. This is half circle to another half circle. This is Tai Chi Ball training the same way. Left and right. Left and right. That's right, you can understand this.